we have met the Honorable Speaker and we have lodged our strong protest on the functioning of the State Legislative Assembly. The functioning which I say, I mean, I've been in this house from so many years, and all the years what we see that if any statement is being placed, after the statement is placed, there is a discussion which happens, and after the discussion, a reply is being given by the government, and after the reply, all the political parties are given an opportunity to raise some few clarifications. But what we see and what we are witnessing is that always, whenever, whatever issue, the government is at a back foot and do not have any answers. So they either deny the opportunity of the clarification or they switch off the mic. And this is what has happened today. Such an important issue, the House and the government didn't have the time to give an opportunity to the political parties to raise their clarification points.